Hello drone service providers. Today we will see how to add the location into BhuMeet DSP mobile application. So here I am having my mobile with me. Just download that BhuMeet DSP application into your mobile. You can see onto the screen the BhuMeet DSP application. Open this application. Then you can see the dashboard over here with various details. To add the location, you need to click on that menu named as location. So click on that second menu. You can see various locations has been already added by the DSP, where that company can give the drone spraying services. So to add the new location, you can see the add button at the top right corner of this mobile screen. So click on that button. Here you can search the desired location. Just for example, Nifad is the location nearby my drone service provider company where I can provide the drone spraying service. So it has been searched. Click on the particular location. Then you can provide the radius where you can provide the service around that radius. So here I can provide around Nifad, I can provide the service in 10 kilometer radius. Then you can have that location. You can provide the note, particular note, for example, service available from 10 AM to 5 PM. Just like that, you can add the note. Click on add button. Then to confirm the location, click on add button. You can see the notification, location details added. Click on OK, and you can see the latest location added by you at the top, Nifad, and it is active. So you can activate, deactivate those locations as per your need. Just for example, here you can see some of the locations like Adgaon, Malegaon are disabled. Why? Because I don't want to provide the service at that location for particular time frame. For example, for 1 month, for 2 months. If I want to resume the service at those locations, I can enable it. Just click on that location, then it will be enabled. Then you can see that location Malegaon enabled in the enabled list. So this is how you can add the locations into this BhuMeet DSP application.